Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If your language is changed, don't worry. Just follow the steps. Now go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. A menu will appear. From here, scroll down and click on the Settings option. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left side menu. Here you will see an option related to language. Click on it. Now you will see a list of different languages. Find English in the list. Once you find it, click on the three dots in front of English. After clicking, you will see an option to set it as the default language. Check that option. Now a button will appear to relaunch Chrome. Click on that button. Chrome will close and restart automatically. Once it opens again, you will see that the language has been changed back to English. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.